everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be reviewing the Dr. BFF by JuJuBe in the brand new Stay Salty print from their MBoss collection. This print is so gorgeous, you guys. I am obsessed and I just love this color. You can even see my Keurig back there. That is basically the same color. So today you may notice that I'm actually filming in a different location. I had to move into my kitchen because my dining room is a disaster. It's full of all kinds of things that I am planning to review soon. So luckily I have this space here on my counter in the kitchen. But today I'm actually teaming up with Ashley from GatorMom Reviews. She and I are both reviewing and unpacking our JuJuBe Dr. BFFs in the Stay Salty color. So make sure after you watch my video that you head on over to her channel and check out her video too, because we pack very differently. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys know I recently already reviewed this bag, but in a different color. And I was in love with it then, and I'm still in love with it. I cannot wait to take this bag out this week, packed this way, because everything I have in here, it's packed for me and my 4-year-old, and he and I are still together for most of the time during the days until preschool starts. So let's go ahead and get started. I just want to go over quickly the features of this bag first. So on the top here, you have two great grab handle straps, and these are a webbed strap. And this is actually how I tend to carry my bag most of the time. I will put it in the crook of my arm instead of worrying about putting the backpack straps on, because a lot of times I'm just toting it in and out of a store or in and out of karate class. So for me, this is actually the easiest way to carry this bag. But as I mentioned, this bag does have backpack straps. So let's go over those first. Look at the back of this bag, you guys. It is so pretty. Here are your backpack straps. This bag also comes with a messenger strap here. And I'll show you guys the print close up. Isn't that so pretty? I just love it. It's like mermaid scales. It is so summer, and the color is just so beautiful. I love it. So you have your messenger strap and your backpack straps. So you can wear this bag a few different ways, which I love. If you don't want to use your backpack straps, you can easily detach them from the top and the bottom rings here. Super duper easy. You can store these inside the bag or in the bottle pockets if you want to. And if you intend to use the messenger strap, you would just hook it up right here on the edge D-rings. So there you go. And you can wear this over the shoulder and even crossbody if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and detach this so I can go over the back of the bag with you. One of the things I really like about this bag that makes it a little bit different than the JuJuBe BFF is the way the back is done. So besides the D-ring situation, you also have this new sleeve here. And I'll show you guys how that works. There's actually two pieces of fabric here, but this one goes all the way down like this. So if you are traveling and you need your bag over your suitcase handle, that is what that pocket is for, and it is fabulous. I love that. Especially since my carry-on and suitcases are all aqua, of course. This would only look amazing with that. So I'm excited to use that on my next trip. But then you also have a pocket back in there as well. So see this white fabric here, and then you have your Stay Salty and Beach Please print down in here. And I will show you guys the Beach Please print up close in just a little bit. So that's what you have back there. You have this extra pocket. It goes about down to the bottom of the bag here. So you can put your change pad back there, which by the way does come with this bag. Here is the change pad with the Beach Please print on the inside. And you could keep your change pad in the back here, or you could keep it on the inside of your bag. So now that we've gone over the back of the bag, let's go over more of the sides and the front here. So you have a bottle pocket, one on each side of this bag. These are not insulated. In fact, this bag has no insulated pockets in it at all, but I don't mind that because as my kids are getting older, they don't mind their stuff being warm or cold as much. And I like to use insulated bottles a lot, so it doesn't really matter for me. But if it's something important to you, you may want to look into the BFF because that does have insulated pockets. So that is pocket 1. There is pocket 2. Now in the very front of the bag here, you actually have a very decently sized mommy pocket. I've stuffed it full with all of my things. And then you also have a long zippered pocket across the front here. And I don't actually keep anything in there, but I did want to show you, this is a great place to keep park tickets, receipts, anything flat and thin would be a great thing to put in here. So let me know what you guys would put in that front pocket there. You also have a tech pocket here in the front. That is felt lined. This is a great pocket for your cell phone or a small camera and things like that. Now the way this bag opens on the top, it opens all the way up on the ends here. like that, but you have to open it all the way up, and it opens up like a doctor's bag, and you guys will see that when I go through this bag. But it's really cool. You have a ton of space on top, and you can just see everything when you open your bag. You can just access everything and see everything easily, so I love that. So let's go ahead and start unpacking this bag. Let's go ahead and start with the bottle pockets. So on this side here, I have a 12-ounce Swell Traveler bottle. For me, this holds my water when I'm out and about. On the other side here, I have a small set piece. This actually has a little med kit in it, and this is in the brand new It's a Mad Mad World by JuJuBe and Disney. It is super cute, extremely complementary to this Stay Salty color because it picks up the greens and the blues so pretty together. I love it. Speaking of which, if you guys love either of these prints, they are available on Shop JuJuBe right now, and I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you guys can shop through that anytime. So in here, I just have my med kit, a few things for my son and for myself. So we've all been pretty sick recently, minus me. I don't know how I got by without it. I gotta find some wood to knock on because I really don't want to catch it. But in here I have a couple of Hall's lollipops for the boys. They all three have caught this bug. I'm not sure what it is, but it's like just like a cold. I also have a little pill case here with some allergy medicine and Advil for me, nail clippers, some antibiotic ointment, and a few Band-Aids just in case. So that is my little med kit that I carry around with me. So that is all I had on the outside bottle pockets. Let's go ahead and jump on into the mommy pocket. This is the mommy pocket. You have so much space down in there. I love it. In the very front here, you'll notice you have a nice zippered pocket here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through that first. I actually have my wallet in there. This is my coffee break wallet from JuJuBe in the vanilla color. So pretty. Love it. Looks really good with this print too. So there's my wallet. That's all I had in that zippered pocket. Next to that, you have another elastic pocket right here. And in here, I just have my stroller clips. So if I decide to go somewhere and I need my bag to hang from a shopping cart or stroller, then I have these handy. And these are included with this bag, so I really like that. So I had those there. You also have your key leash. So I have my keys on there. In the very back of the mommy pocket here, you have two more elastic pockets that are mesh, so you can see through them a little bit. On this side here, I have a small set piece in the Beach Please print, and here I just have some things for myself. So I have a chapstick, lip gloss, a folding hairbrush, some hand cream, a mirror, and things like that down in there. On the other side here, I actually have my son's mask and my mask, just in case. I also have a pack of tissues because, like I said, we've been working through this cold in our family right now, so I definitely need those on hand. So that is all that I had in the mommy pocket, but as you can see, it holds quite a bit. In the very front here, like I said, this is a felt-lined pocket. I have my phone. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro, which is a pretty good sized phone, and it fits up and down in here without any issues. So that's all I had in there. Now let's go ahead and jump onto the inside of this bag. I really like the lining on this print because it's so bright and cheerful. So let's take a look. So this is the top of the Dr. BFF. As I mentioned, the zippers go all the way down the sides of the bag. They're very nice and smooth. Here is how your bag opens, just like a doctor's bag. I love that. Look at all the things you can see in there. I love that you have immediate access to whatever it is that you need in this bag. As you can see, I had tons of space left on top. I don't tend to carry a ton of stuff, but this style bag works great for fall and winter because if you needed to put an extra jacket in there or something for your child, then you have this space to do that. So I really love that. So let's go ahead and go through all the pockets and all the things I have in here. So on the very back here, you have a zippered compartment. In here, I just have my planner. I got a brand new Happy Planner just this weekend because I was starting to get very unorganized with all of my content and I really needed something to help me with that. So I love this one though. This is a dashboard planner from the Happy Planner. Works perfect for me. So that's what I had in this back pocket here. In the very back, you have two elastic pockets. So in the very first one here, I have a wet bag. This is a Baby Olay wet bag. And this is just great for containing messes. If there happens to be one or if somebody has an accident, I can put dirty clothes in there and things like that. So in the very back pocket here, I also have a pack of wipes. This is a wipe pouch 30, just in case somebody has a sticky mess. Next to that, in this pocket over here, I have all the snacks. So I have an applesauce, a granola bar, some yogurt raisins, and I also have some almonds. That's all that I had in those back 2 pockets there. Now you also have 3 more pockets in here. It's crazy. I love how many pockets are in here. So on this side here, I have my son's water. And this is a Camelback cup that I love. It never leaks or anything. So that's for him. On the opposite side here, I actually have a medium set piece. And I just have a few toys in here for him. He is obsessed. I'm gonna try and prop that up there. So there's my medium set piece in the Stay Salty print. So pretty. So in here, I just have a few toys for him. So he is obsessed with Baby Shark. So I brought all his puzzle pieces. There's Grandma and Grandpa. Got all of them here. Baby Shark, Mommy and Daddy Shark. So these are just like his favorite things to play with. Do your kids love Baby Shark too? I feel like that happens to be like something they're just obsessed with, and I don't really understand it, but hey, it keeps him busy. So yeah. So that's what I had in my medium set piece, some toys. Now we are coming down to the end of it. I have one more thing to go through in the very front here. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see better. So you have a nice pocket in the very front here. So this is a great place to keep your change pad. It's also a great place to store your tablet or anything else that happens to be a little bit wider and longer. So in here I have my son's Kindle Fire 7. This is full of educational games and things like that. So if I am out and about and he gets a little fussy or on my nerves, then I can hand this to him and help him to chill out a little bit. Now the last thing to go through is my Be Quick, which fits perfectly in here. If you guys can see how much space I have in there now. If I didn't fill up those back pockets, I'd actually have enough space for another Be Quick down in there, and I could pile up on top of that if you want to pack vertically. So this bag has just so much space. Look at that. So nice. And that Beach Please lining is so pretty. I love it. So let's go through my Be Quick. So in here, I just have a change of clothes for my son. So I have some shorts. I will change these into pants soon when it starts to cool down. Some shorts, a t-shirt, and some underwear. So that is what I have in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I would love to know what your favorite feature of the Dr. BFF is. Please leave it in the comments below. I think one of my favorite features is the way it opens. I think that is so unique, and it just gives you all the access to your things quickly and easily, so you don't have to go rummaging through your bag trying to find anything. Don't forget to go enter into my giveaway. You guys could win this gorgeous JuJuBe set in the It's a Mad Mad World print. So cute. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Make sure to go check out GatorMom Reviews video for this bag as well. Let her know Kate sent you. Thanks for watching.